Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my updated routine on how I install my wigs. I am going to be featuring African Princess hair. This is their hair right here. It's really amazing. This is a new company and it's a small owned business. I think it's a black owned business. I keep saying that, but I really do think so. They're dropping in June. I'm trying to move really fast because my battery on my camera is gonna die and my other one, I forgot it at my boyfriend's house. So yeah, I'm in shambles. So I'm gonna hurry up really quick. I just wanna run you guys through what I'm doing and then I'm gonna install and I'm gonna just play some music because if I try talking, it's gonna take up more time. Boom. Okay, so first I'm going to lay down my hair with my Got2b spray and then blow dry it cool so it's gonna be sleek and nice and ready for me to put on my cap. The cap I'm using is actually some knee-high leggings every day. You could get this at Walmart. It looks like this, so please take a screenshot of that. Because most videos I watch, they don't tell you where to get it and what kind. So the kind I got is the one size nude. It has 10 pairs in it and it says extra value, made in the USA, leggings every day. It looks like this. The color is like this. I'm using this color for my skin tone. And all I do is cut off the little elasticy part at the bottom because that's going to squeeze your head. I mean, it's going to squeeze regardless, but this is going to squeeze it like crazy. So I'm just going to cut that off. Okay. So boom. So you guys remember, all I'm doing is sleeking this down with my freeze spray and blowing it. So I'm just going to do that really quickly.
You did me wrong, Keisha. All I ever wanted was a little piece of your time. Oh, Keisha. Did me wrong now. And you know you did. I didn't make this time for us to waste it. Maybe he just made this time and gave to us to pace it. Maybe he just gave you dreams, girl, so you could chase it. Maybe he just gave you me, girl, so you ain't basic. Maybe you got some problems you need attention. Maybe you got it obvious, you got issues. Maybe you need to keep it real with yourself instead of riding around in that black 9-5 on 2 with the tints on the windows. Hope you know I can see what you window when you're driving by, watching eye to eye. I know you see it. Fool Keisha, you know you did it. This love, girl, you know you quit it. It's over, I know it's over. 'Cause 1 minute you're down, and you committed. Next thing you're down, out, and you don't get it. I ain't holding you down on love, unless you're down on love. 'Cause 1 minute you're down, and you committed. Next thing you're down, out, and you don't get it. I ain't holding you down on love, unless you're down on love.
I want you guys to pay attention right here just so you guys see the amount of space that I take up when I'm using the glue, and this makes your wig last really long. Make sure that you have about this amount on the cap and on your skin.
Tom makes beats.
This is for my lady and my friend that's who she's not a ghost you. Oh, the way that you move on my thing, girl, it feels so good. Girl, take her tonight or tomorrow, I'll have you calling out my name from me, girl. And I know that you lost for me, girl. Can't be all alone, come around for the night. You got my attention, circle that one for the night. You can come and I'll be all yours for the night. You don't have to worry, I'll hold you tonight. Says she want banana, then her nons get thick like cassava. When girl moan on me, now want pull up. But if she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Some more.
Let me hold you. Know you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold you. Know the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One hand on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder,
baby, wine slow, baby, put your hands up on my lap and slow wine for me, baby, gracefully. You can remind me, I'll be poppy, put your hands up on my body, let me circle, girl, you drive me crazy. Girl, give me a reason I will hold ya. Girl, never fear the unknown. Take my hand and I will show ya. Need a vibe tonight so I can get to know ya. Icicle, hard thing, something you can ride like bicycle. Heart on my sleeve, always straight, no wrinkle. Me and you, girl, we can keep it so simple. Oh, yeah, yeah. Says she want banana, then her nons get thick like cassava. When girl moan on me, now want pull up. But if she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Some more.
let me hold you. Know you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold you. Know the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure.
Right here, I'm using some 91% alcohol and a Q-tip just to remove the sticky residue in front of the lace. This just helps loosen that up. Right here, I'm just using my touchdown to edge control just to slick the back of my hair. You can use any edge control you like, but I love touchdown 2 or style factor. I'm just gonna smooth that out, and then I'm gonna proceed to sewing down my wig. I mean, I didn't really get too much of a good footage, but you guys can kind of tell what I'm doing. All I'm gonna do is just pull the wig down, and then I do recommend that you guys just feel and remove the back track so you can sew in between where the tracks are laying. So you can sew onto the cap instead of sewing onto the hair. I mean, I took a little while before I did it, but you guys are going to see me you see right here, I just removed the back track and I'm just sewing in between the track. So I'm sewing on the cap. I hope this makes sense, and I hope you guys can like kind of envision what I'm doing right here. I'm sewing on the cap, not on the freaking tracks. Alright, you guys, when we're done with that, I'm just gonna put my hair up, and I already had wore this wig before, so I already cut like the little baby hairs in the back, but that's all I do to cut the little baby hairs in the back, and this makes it way more natural. I forgot to turn around, but you cannot clock me. I'm using this elastic band just to lay down my frontal, and I'm blowing it with some warm air. And this is basically the end of the video. I did not really get an intro, so I'm gonna just play my intro from my snaps. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.
Yeah, move carefully. Girl, I'ma care for you if you care for me. And don't you act funny, don't you embarrass me. And don't you let nobody pump your battery, cause I'm staticky, yeah. Slide by